there, welcome back to our channel. This is episode 10 of Hong Kong Travel Series, and today we are exploring one of the coolest theme parks in Asia. This video is a complete informative guide for Ocean Park and will help you answer questions like the timings, how to get there, what are some must-do activities, and of course, a lot of tips throughout the video to make your trip more fun. So let us start with how to reach Ocean Park. Ocean Park is located on the southern side of the Hong Kong island and is easily accessible by public transport. And as usual, because the metro is super affordable, easy to navigate and faster than the buses, we will be using the MTR from Tsim Sha Tsui metro station. In case you are interested in other modes, you can see the relevant information on the screen. We are boarding at Tsim Sha Tsui metro station on the red line. We'll change at Admiralty to green line to get to our destination. It's been a couple of days for us using the Hong Kong MTR, and trust me, it is extremely easy to navigate with enough signboards and direction guides. And in case you have any difficulties, the metro staff is extremely helpful here. It took us around 30 minutes and 12.5 Hong Kong dollars to get to the Ocean Park metro station. As the metro station name suggests, the Ocean Park is just outside this station and you need to take the exit B from this station. Ocean Park timings are generally from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and it's around 9:30 a.m. and you could see comparatively a smaller number of people, which means lesser wait time. We have booked our tickets online via Klook app and it costed us around 365 Hong Kong dollars. Although you can buy tickets offline after reaching Ocean Park, but this is something I would not recommend personally. You get better rates online through discount coupons on various booking websites. Ocean Park is huge and I would recommend downloading the dedicated application. It is a map which can help you navigate and will also tell you about the wait time at different rides and also will update you about any upcoming shows or any event.
Should we go first in order to enjoy the mix?
Hang on. You can just stand down first, or just take a photo there, and then if you choose you want to go up and see the panda.
Okay. First we go up.
Okay.
Thank you.
As the staff guided us, we are heading straight to the cable car station. The cable car here takes you to the other side of the park and offers the best views during your ride. The cable car generally have a wait time of 30 to 40 minutes throughout the day. Honestly, it is so empty here at the moment. The shops are not open yet as well. The ride is amazing. It is a long ride with beautiful views of the ocean on the side. It is worth getting one and a memorable start of the day. We are on the other side of the park. It is essentially empty now and we are heading to our first stop for the day, the Rainforest, and the ride that we'll go for is the Rapids. The ride looks exciting and I can't wait. Testing for safety at the moment and the ride will start at 10:30 a.m. sharp. So as I told you before, Ocean Park is not just about the rides and the thrilling experiences. We have a lot of other things to do as well here. So we'll start with this rainforest section and we got a chance to see different species of animals that live in those forests. It is my first time seeing a purple frog. Comment down below and tell me, have you ever watched a purple frog before?
These they were all born in Ocean Park.
These are all born in Ocean Park.
They were all born in Ocean Park. They're just babies, maybe 1 or 2 years old.
Our kid enjoyed a lot and had fun looking at various species here. But our thrilling sequence begins with the rapid and we will do all the operational rides here. The average wait time was around 20 minutes for each ride, which was not much given how amazing these rides are, and all of them are surely worth it. After a couple of hours having some thrilling experience, our next stop for the day is the polar adventure, and it would also be the next tip for you that you should plan this place somewhere around the noon time to beat the heat outside. It would be around 8 degrees here, so much cooler than the temperature outside. Polar Adventure covers the pleasant sights of penguins, spotted seals, Pacific vultures. It is a unique experience for us as it is our first time seeing these species, and therefore would recommend you this place, especially if you're traveling with the young ones. The food in the Ocean Park is expensive and have limited options for vegetarian people. Ocean Park does allow the outside food, so get your own stuff. We took a short break and enjoyed our meal right here.
Bada fish. Very bada fish.
We continue to explore different rides and animal section in the ocean park like the sharks, dolphins, sea lion, and the insane view from the top of the ocean park tower. This place is an absolute must. And while we talk about the views, the best place to enjoy this amazing sunset is the Ferris wheel. It is already 5 p.m. now and we will rush to the lower side of the park. We will take the Ocean Train Express as it is relatively fast and also it is a different experience with a lot less wait time. We are in front of the Asian animal section now.
White pandas are sleeping there.
So we would be able to see them or not?
At this moment. Yeah.
And unfortunately, we cannot see the pandas. It is their sleeping time. So here it is my next step. If you're especially interested in seeing pandas, come to this section before 4:30 p.m. They sleep after that. Ocean Park has a dedicated area for the kids ride, which of course you can ride as well if you want to. Our baby enjoyed a lot here and we did spend some time here. And finally, before the park is closed, we will explore the Grand Aquarium. This is the last tip for the video that you should save this place for the last. It will be less crowded since it is indoor experience, so it doesn't matter if it is really dark outside. It is a beautiful ecosystem here with more than 5,000 different species of fishes, and it's so worth it to visit. The Ocean Park closes at 7 p.m. with a wonderful sound and light show which you should enjoy before you leave. So that is all for today's vlog. I hope you guys had fun exploring this beautiful theme park with us because we had an amazing time here as a family. Comment below what was your favorite activity, and if you have liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We will be covering the famous Hong Kong Disneyland in the next week video, so stay tuned for the complete guide to Disneyland.